my people, nobody could ever know, cause I'm trying to prove like this one is called Life is a Road. I'm gonna play this shit all over again. Yeah. Yo. This life is a road. Life is a road that nobody knows, but life is a road that we surely have to go. Life is a road that nobody knows, but life is a road that we surely have to go. Cause life, my people, nobody could ever know, cause I'm trying to prove life, but you never learn until you grow. Never heard a saying, what you reap is what you sow. So don't believe anything they tell you until you surely know. I give thanks and praises to Jah, cause I say so. I live my life for the day, I won't worry about tomorrow. The past might be hard, but put my frustration in and out the way, we'll always have a brand new start. But give yourself, gotta take care of your own health. What's the point of all this wealth if we can't even give my hand to help? So don't you act a fool, don't get captured, don't you be easily schooled. For when the judgment comes, they say that life is so cruel. So always stay humble, your body is your temple. Respect the environment, not just the people with them high rank position, but all of them are evil. Life is a road, cause life is a road that nobody knows, that nobody knows. Is a road that we surely have to go. Life is a road that nobody knows. Life is a road that we surely have to go. So no rest, just clean up the mess. There's no need to be the best of the best. Don't get stuck with them a little test. The devil alone is trying to insert into a head, cause them are like a puppet, like a mental attract to a magnet. Don't be a slave, I keep on saying to myself, brilliant is not know how to interact, stay focused. Watch out for those who stab people in the back, yes they surely know how to crack a neck. Hit you just like a heart attack. But me, I say watch out for your back, you might just get left off the lion's back. To empower the powerless, make them stand strong. Never bow to any ranky icon. Meditation so high, even wisdom flying high. Get strength to the weak, so our faith firm like Shalom Peak. So we need not to shout, but just to clear our doubts. Always keep an open mind, my flow divine in each and every single line. Yeah. Life is a road that nobody knows. That life is a road that we surely have to go. Life is a road that nobody knows. Yeah, life is a road that we surely have to go. My soul is growing and growing, feelings are getting heavy, beating, thoughts are screaming for freedom. My conscience tell me to live in peace. But first of all, bad things are always meant for all. Sometimes we go a little crazy when things don't go to plans, but we're living out this concrete jungle where the system provides us rules like we're still in school. But man, we ain't no fools, say we're guided by the righteous hands. So we'll never be stuck on making a bad regrets. And I have truly vowed to make the world a better place by sending a letter to each and every corner of a little empire, that Jah will liberate the poor and set the soul on fire, and never be blinded forever and ever. So I just be a blessing for the rest, knowing this road is gonna lead me to happiness. And well, I'm never gonna quit my rhyming. It's that's the reason that I'm still smiling and knowing about my roots and culture. And this I've been going on and on. That mystic feeling keep following me around. My thoughts are clear somehow, but I keep on writing my vows, wondering how I can change the world for the little boys and girls. Wondering how I can change the world for the little boys and girls. Wondering how. Yo, thank you so much.